Discover Florida's hidden beach gems. Dreaming of sun-kissed sands and turquoise waves? Florida offers a paradise of vibrant beaches, perfect for every kind of traveler. From family-friendly shores to secluded retreats, discover the top spots where sunshine and relaxation await you. Clearwater Beach boasts soft white sand that feels like powder beneath your feet. Its vibrant atmosphere is alive with bustling activities, making it a favorite for families and adventure seekers alike. Enjoy beachside dining and lively entertainment. South Beach in Miami is famed for its electrifying nightlife and iconic Art Deco architecture. This beach is a hotspot for those looking to experience Miami's vibrant culture while relaxing by the azure waters during the day. Siesta Key Beach captivates visitors with its unique quartz crystal sand, which stays cool underfoot even on the hottest days. Known for its laid-back vibe, it's the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the stunning Gulf Coast views. Naples Beach invites you to witness breathtaking sunsets and calm, inviting waters. With its upscale surroundings, it's ideal for those seeking a peaceful yet luxurious beach experience. Meander along the shore or indulge in the local cuisine. Key West Smathers Beach is known for its laid-back vibe, making it an ideal destination for unwinding. Snorkelers will love exploring the vibrant underwater world, while sunseekers can relax on its welcoming sandy shores. Fort Lauderdale Beach boasts a lively boardwalk teeming with family-friendly activities. Visitors can enjoy cycling, shopping, or dining with an ocean view. It's a vibrant destination that caters to both relaxation and entertainment. Sanibel Island is a paradise for shell collectors, offering stunning natural beauty and abundant wildlife. Its tranquil beaches are perfect for leisurely strolls, making it a must-visit for nature lovers seeking a serene getaway. Destin's Henderson Beach State Park captivates with its pristine sands and sparkling emerald waters. This coastal gem offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, where visitors can enjoy sunbathing, swimming, and picnicking amidst breathtaking scenery. Florida's beaches boast a plethora of activities, from exhilarating water sports to delectable seaside dining. Visitors can indulge in paddleboarding, kayaking, and snorkeling, while local accommodations range from charming inns to luxurious beachfront resorts. The best time to visit Florida's beaches is during the shoulder seasons of spring and fall, when crowds are thinner and the weather is sublime. Early morning and late afternoon visits can also help avoid peak crowds. Prioritize safety on Florida's beaches by staying hydrated, using sunscreen, and observing flag warnings. Protect the environment by disposing of trash properly and respecting wildlife, ensuring these beautiful beaches remain pristine for future generations. Florida's beaches each offer a unique charm, from Bahia Honda's picturesque views and marine life to Clearwater's vibrant atmosphere. Whether it's shelling on Sanibel or soaking in Naples' sunsets, there's a perfect beach for every traveler. Let us know which Florida beach tops your list. Share your thoughts in the comments and start planning your ultimate beach getaway. Your dream destination might be just a short trip away. For more travel inspiration and tips, subscribe to our channel. We regularly share exciting destinations and insider guides to make your adventures unforgettable. Don't miss out on exploring the world with us. Discover more breathtaking beach destinations in our related video playlist. From tropical escapes to hidden gems, uncover the beauty of beaches around the globe and add new locations to your travel bucket list. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with fellow beach lovers. Your support helps us bring more travel content to inspire your next adventure.